All right, so now we are still in class 1, exercise 3. Class 1, exercise 3. This is talking about SQL injections, and nobody likes injections, let alone SQL injections, so let's go through it. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Yes. Yes, does it make sense why they're vulnerable? Because we're able to inject something in the SQL statement. So we are going to attempt an injection here of our own. And essentially we're going to change the password for the admin user. Okay, whoa, no, I don't want all that. Okay, copy and paste, not so beautiful. Here's a solution. Just I don't like it. Don't like it. I'm copying and pasting it into a text window just so I can make sure I get the proper syntax and all the right quotes, and copying from Word doesn't mess with my copying and pasting. So we're going to go to web app in our browser, and we're going to log out, and then for a username we're going to type admin, but in the password we're going to type this. Why am I pressing the update button? Right? No, I don't have a user called user, and I don't have a student. I don't have a student in here. Why do I not have that? Don't have a user. So why is that? Sorry, I'm reading kind of fast here. Okay, what is my regular user? How would I find that out? I would go here and MySQL, -u root, use CIS, show tables, select star from users. I only have one user, so that's probably my problem. I should have another user, but why do I not have a user? Perhaps I skipped a step somewhere. Entirely possible. Let's see. I can go here, open recent, and I can open up class 1, probably exercise 1. You would think. Okay, did I forget to create a user? No, I just made admin. And why do I not have another user? Well, I'm going to make a user then. I'm just going to copy this and go make a user. But I'm going to change it a little bit and call him student. I'm going to say student. And its password is also going to be student. Student, let's call it student abuser. Okay. So now I should have a student. Ta-da! Student. So now if I log in, I can say student. Okay. Oh, there's an error. Why is there? Okay. Hate when this happens. So I'm trying to log in as a user. Okay, so note in exercise 3, what is the regular user? That one, because I don't want to do that. Just going to copy this. Maybe this is right. Maybe this is not right. Maybe I give him the right. Okay. So let's go here, exit. No, let's not look there because I don't like how it looks. Let's look at web app here. Web app. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Ah, a regular user. That's our problem. I call them student user instead of regular user. Okay. So we need this one. Okay, doc. Let's go back into here. Use CIS. Select star from users. I don't remember the syntax for deleting a row. Let's find out. MySQL row. This will come back. Delete from table. Thank you. Delete from users where first name student. Okay, that's better. Okay, now we're going to insert this proper user. Where do I have here? Yep. So regular. Copy that. Paste here. No, I have an error in my syntax. How is that possible? It's probably one of those escaping. The dash at the beginning, the insert. Yes, control A works. Okay. Okay, so that was problem solved. Okay, student, student. Now let's try it. Student. Aha, I mean, no, I don't want to change it. Okay, now we can actually do this exercise. Um, let's actually go back here. Whoops. And copy and paste this beauty. I think we're changing the admin's password to Sunshine. Okay, change password. Okay, so now web app, log out of student. That still works. Okay, but let's log in as admin. Admin. Ooh, that still works. How come that worked? That shouldn't worked. That should not have worked. That was the whole theory. Right, right. Ah, I forgot the space character here after the two dashes. That's probably my mistake. Okay, let's try that again. Student. Okay, so I would like this whole line and one space. Gotta be very, very, very precise. Okay, let's see if that fixed something. So web app, log out, admin. This should not work, right? It still works. So something did not take effect. So it's a little harder to break it than one might think. Okay. I don't want to add a user. I just student, right? Right. And the password field. I'm just going to copy it from here. Maybe it works from here. I don't know. That looks better. Oh, well, no, the password is incorrect. Okay. So the password is now Sunshine. However, I also screwed up the student password, as you will notice here, because I just made my student password equal to empty. So that is not because I pressed update twice. Okay, so that proves the concept. Whew, that was longer than it necessary, but we got it to work. All right, that was exercise 3.